Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey. If you're new, today's video is going to be, hopefully I'm going to just speed through this and we're going to get it done really quick. This is going to be a Glossybox unbox. So we're on September. It's actually my birthday when I'm filming this. Happy birthday to me. Hence why I went a wee bit bold on my eyeshadow. If you want to see this look, head on over to my TikTok because I did it over there. Okay, so like I said, I just want to make this really quick because I don't want to be sitting here all day on my birthday. So, why is there no card? Seriously, Glossybox? Okay, there's no card. I will find everything that's in here and I will link it below for you, and I will pop up on the screen at how much everything is. The first thing that I'm seeing is a Lindor Lindt chocolate, just a milk chocolate bar. I think it's literally just like the solid milk chocolate. It's not got anything in it. I don't know if that was just a wee added extra. The next thing we have is another coffee scrub. I might mix this with the other one that I have. Oh no, that's a tea scrub. Maybe I could do a coffee and a tea scrub in one. But anyway, this is a it's Mine Tan. Oh, okay, I take it they do tanning products as well. Anyway, it's an exfoliating scrub for buttery smooth soft skin. Exfoliating coffee scrub prep and prime. So obviously it's for, or they've designed it for use before fake tan. But it says an exfoliator for softer, smoother, more luminous skin. Gently smooth away skin imperfections and improve the overall appearance of your skin over time by adding this coffee scrub to your regular shower routine. Now I know like it says open the pack and just massage it on. I find that it falls off really easily, like these kind of scrubs. I'm going to open up just to smell it because I love the smell of coffee. What I tend to do, or what I've been doing with my tea scrub, is I'll mix it in with my body wash and then it just binds it in the sort of suds and it doesn't fall all over the place. Oh wow. Oh, if you like the smell of coffee, you will like this. Okay, the next thing I'm seeing is Ameliorate Soothe Skin Science. Intensive skin, I actually should have showed you that, shouldn't I? So that's what that looked like there. Intensive skin therapy with alpha hydroxy therapy. Contains unique LAH6 skin hydration complex. It doesn't really tell you, like it's just a bottle, so it doesn't really tell you an awful lot about it, but it's maintains moisture levels, or clinically proven, which I would always take with a pinch of salt, to maintain moisture levels in skin for up to 24 hours. So it's got alpha hydroxy acid in it, I take it. See, there's no, what annoys me about this, and it doesn't annoy me so much when you've got the card, but there's no ingredients on this. So you then have to go and find out what the ingredients are in this to make sure that it's not gonna react badly with your skin or anything like that. To me, it feels like it should have come inside a little box. So anyway, it just says use at least 2 times a day for the first week and then as often as required. So it seems to me like it's a really deep moisturiser, which I have actually, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, I have taken a massive allergic reaction to wearing face masks. I don't know if I said it in a previous video, but it's the fabric of the disposable masks. I was wearing them at work because they're easier to breathe through, and literally the whole bottom half of my face is completely broken out, and in trying to treat that, it's 10 times better now than it was because I've got new masks and stuff like that, but in trying to treat it, I've really dried out my skin. So I'm in the process now of extra moisture. So that actually might be a good test for this. I know you probably shouldn't do new products when you're trying to battle something like an allergic reaction, but it might be a good test for it, so I will let you know next month how that was. This is the Avant Hyaluronic Vitamin C Lecthin Maris Aqua Jojoba. Oh my god, try and say that. Supreme Hyaluronic Acid Anti-Oxidising Duo Moisturiser. So this seems like it's another moisturiser. I wish they wouldn't do that. If you've given me one moisturiser, don't give me another one. I don't need 2. I only have 1 face. But anyway, we'll see. Apply in the morning and evening after cleansing and applying your serum. That's it. Carry out a patch test 24 hours before first use. Discontinue if redness or irritation occurs. That kind of freaks me out a little bit, but I mean, it's again just a moisturiser. This I knew from a sneak peek that we were getting. I actually was hoping that it was going to be bigger, but I knew that we were getting this and I was quite excited for it. Again, no ingredients, kind of annoying. I don't know if maybe I was supposed to get a card and I haven't got one, but anyway. This is the Wishful Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. I'm sure, yes, it does. It's this has got something to do with Huda Beauty. I don't know if this is Huda Beauty's skincare line or what, but we seem to be getting a lot of Huda Beauty recently. This is the Pineapple Enzyme Scrub. I think it's got pineapple enzyme and papaya enzyme. Maybe it just has those 4 ingredients in it actually, and I'm just talking out my butthole. Pineapple enzyme, papaya enzyme, AHA and BHA. So I mean there's probably more than that in it, but it, to be honest, looks like it's about half full. It looks like it's about full up to here. But I would say there's probably enough in it for a couple of uses. I'm going to smell it. Yeah, it just smells quite, oh shit. It's one of these ones that sort of pills. I don't know, I might actually put some more out just so that I can show you. I do have some crap on the back of my hand. Right, be gentle. Right. So it feels scrubby. Let me just see if I can get this on camera. Hide my face. So it feels rough. And then as you rub it, it almost is like the skin balls up. I don't really think it is. I don't know if you can see that. I really hope you can. But like you can see like the skin sort of, it looks, that's what it looks like anyway. It's like balling up. I really am looking forward to using this. It smells lovely too. It doesn't smell too citrusy or anything, but that's good. Okay, and the last thing that we have in here is a Imperial Leather Foamburst Ultimate Moisture 3-day long-lasting moisturization. Is this, yes, it's a whipped cream body wash, so it's just one of these Imperial Leather, this is, oh, ah! It's one of these Imperial Leather foamy, oh my god, it's all over me. Oh no. Okay, we'll be getting changed after this then. Yeah, it's just that Imperial Leather soap that foams. Well, let's put the lid back on. I've had this a million times. This has obviously got coconut oil and golden amber, whatever that is. These are really nice. I like these. They just run out far too quick. I always find myself using way too much of it. So that is everything. Like I say, everything will hopefully have popped up on the screen for you so you know what it is and how much it costs. Nothing in here I don't think is full size, but again, I can't tell you because they didn't put in the card. So for last month's box, I'll just quickly go through this. I'm not going to go through every product I got, but we did get the Glossybox Skincare eye cream, and I have been using this. I haven't noticed a massive difference. I haven't noticed that it's not done anything, if you know what I mean. Like, it's not dried out my under eyes, it's not done anything bad, but it hasn't done anything remarkably good either. I sometimes get quite sensitive underneath here, like if I pull my retinol and that up too far by accident or that, I can get a little bit sensitive. I haven't noticed that it's reduced any puffiness or anything like that, but it was nice, and it is a big tube. It is still going strong, so I mean, if you like an eye cream and you like to use an eye cream, then I would say this is, it's a nice one to use. And if you're subscribed to the box anyway, you do get it at a discount. So the Huda Beauty lipstick I've worn maybe once. I have lots of lipsticks. It's nice. I mean, there's nothing kind of too much to say about it, but I do wish it dried down. It's a demi-matte one. It kind of dries down a little bit, but it does kind of still move, so I just prefer a liquid lipstick, to be honest. Or if I'm going to put on a lipstick like I'm wearing a MAC one just now, I'd rather it just be a lipstick rather than sort of be half and half. I haven't got around to using this yet. I might try and use it in the next couple of days, but I just, when I feel it, I just think I'm not going to like it. So whenever I've actually sat down to do my makeup recently, it's been for videos, and I didn't want to have to go through the whole rigmarole of trying it, not liking it, and then having to take it off and put it back on again. So I haven't actually used this yet. The I don't know if it's the last thing, but the shower gel, the rhubarb shower gel, smells beautiful. It's just a shower gel. I think it's quite an expensive brand, so I wouldn't buy it again, but it's lovely. It was really nice. I'm pretty sure that it's going to be in the advent calendar if you want to go and get that. The last thing was this lip liner, actually, and I am actually wearing this today. I haven't noticed any of its kind of special abilities. I think it was like waterproof and stuff like that, but nice colour. If you put it under a nude, it gives it sort of that little hint of purple, and yeah, I actually really liked it, considering I wasn't keen on it when I opened it. But that is pretty much it. And if you want, I think what I might do is I might test the products between boxes and give you a review on the previous box, just to, because it's all well and good pulling things out and being like, nah, I like it, or nah, I don't. I think the proof is in the pudding, and you kind of need to know if these things work. But then by the time it's up, the box is done, so it's kind of a difficult one. That, or what I might do is next month, before I unbox the box, I'll try everything in the box. Then I'll unbox it, and I'll tell you what I thought of all the products. And then you would still have time to get the box, if that makes any sense. We'll see. I'm going to play with the idea anyway. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Like I say, everything will be linked in the description box, and I will see you next month for October's box. Oh my god, are we coming into October already? This is ridiculous. Subscribe, thumbs up this video, ring the little bell, and come back next time, and we will see you in my next video. Bye.